Hello, welcome back to another episode of Fix It Tony. Today, it's a beautiful Saturday morning in November, probably 32 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and decided to open up the garage door while I make this video and do this maintenance task on my 1994 Mercedes C280. Today's project is, if you look off to the distance, there's this little stubby thing here. That is my power antenna. Back in the day, cars had antennas that actually went up and down, and this is a power antenna. It does work, and we're going to clean and lubricate it. If you want this thing to work, if you want these power antennas to work smoothly and not put pressure on the mechanism, the motor, and all the other operational aspects of it, you should clean and lubricate it. Keep in mind, when that antenna is up, it is collecting a lot of dust and debris from driving around, and then it just gets brought right back down. So I'm going to go through the process of cleaning it and lubricating it. Okay. So the first step is get your stuff ready. So I have fine steel wool, probably 000, and then I have power antenna lubricant, some lint-free cloths. This is not your blue shop towel. Blue shop towels still release lint, and you want lint-free cloth. I also have this as a lint-free cloth as well. That'll be important. And protect the paint of your work surface. Now I'm going to protect this part of the car body, the fender, and the way I'm going to do that is just take a blue shop towel, poke a small hole, and put it over top of the antenna part where the nut is, to kind of, because I don't want any debris from sanding with the steel wool or lubricant or dirt to fall on my car paint. All right, so the next step is I have to raise the antenna. If I put the microphone, yeah, right there. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to, you can see the caked on dirt. So we're going to first take and go up. We're going to pull the rag up because I don't want to pull down and wedge any dirt and debris in the antenna stack. You can see that. See all that stuff that was on top of the antenna. So wipe it really well. Save the rag because there's still a lot of clean sections to it. Then you're going to get some steel wool and just wrap the steel wool around the antenna, and we're just cleaning up the metal. There we go. Always go in an up direction. Alright, next is lower it and raise it to see if it'll bring up any more junk from the inner part. Alright. Then as I'm doing this, you can see that the steel wool would have scratched anything off. Cleaning up around here. Alright. So the next step is I'm going to get some lube. This is power antenna lube. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is take one of these squares of my lint-free cloth, wrap it around my finger, and get some antenna grease. You don't need a lot. And I'm going to wipe the antenna. And I'm wiping this, and then I'm going to work it up and down and raise and lower it. Now what's going to happen is I think this will collect some more debris. You can see how the oil, the lubricant, is still gathering and picking up stuff. So now that I wiped the antenna, I'm going to get a little bit more lube, and I'm going to stick it kind of a thick coat, not thick, but kind of a layer on the antenna. Doesn't take much because the clearance between the sections is pretty tight. Alright, so now I'm going to raise and lower the antenna a couple of cycles to work the lube in. Then we're going to wipe it, and you can see how it's really clean now. Working it up and down allowed the inner shaft of the antenna to get the lubricant. Now that I worked the lubricant in to the inner components as far as I could, I'm going to get one more application, and this one's going to be the thinnest, because if you leave it too thick, the lubricant will just simply collect more road dust. Now, how often should you be cleaning and lubricating your antenna? Well, you know, an old car like this, I really don't know, but I've seen other people recommend once a month. But this is my second time in 2020, and I figure that's probably about as much as I'm going to be able to do. So now that I've applied a really thin layer on this antenna, I'm going to be done here shortly. There. Pretty tenacious lubricant, and it's definitely wetting the antenna, and I'm just sort of making sure I got all the way around. I think this procedure would work for any power antenna. Just keep in mind, if you have one, that you're going to need to do it. Where did I get the power antenna lube, or the lubricant for my power antenna and the little lint-free cloths? If you are interested, I'm more than happy to let you know there's a website, another YouTube channel called Mercedes Source, and they are a wealth of information and little tools and techniques as well. So that's where I got mine. So it doesn't have to be, this is not car model specific, but it's just the texture of the lubricant that seems to work well. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.